a Creative Commons non-commercial share-alike 4.0. International license. Contents. Preface. 1. Why this book? 2. Who is this book for? 4. Reading the book. 4. Definitions and terminology. 6. Chapter 1 Introduction. A global community. 7. 1.1 Chapter Summary. 13. Chapter 2 Culturally Intelligent Leadership Matters. 15. 2.1 The difference between managers and leaders. 17. 2.2 Importance of leadership in a global economy. 18. 2.3 Chapter Summary. 21. Chapter 3 Understanding Culture. 23. 3.1 Cultural Systems. 24.